Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Kelsey. If you remember me, I hope you missed me. I have missed you. I have taken some time off to just really focus on myself, focus on my health, my family, and I'm back and I'm really happy to be back posting content again. So today's video is all about my morning routine. It can get pretty hectic with a toddler running around. I feel like I never have time to do anything. It's just chaos, I feel like, all the time. I hope this video inspires you guys to do things that you love each morning, whether that be as simple as diffusing oils or going for a run, making a nice breakfast for yourself. Now that we're almost halfway into the year, it can get really easy to forget about those New Year's resolutions that we set for ourselves, myself included. I get very sidetracked super easily. I can get not motivated. So I just hope that this video will motivate you to have that kickstart again, to be your best self this year, and that's my goal. I definitely feel like I need that motivation just as much as you guys. Alright guys, so let's get this morning routine started. I hope you enjoy it. Once I get back from working out, you definitely want to hydrate, but to be honest, I'm really bad at drinking water, so what helps me is putting lemon in it. I love lemon water, and it just seems to make me want to drink it more often and helps me remember to. I'll drink some water, and then I have to hurry and get ready. I take a quick shower, generally after working out. After I get out of the shower, it's to my skincare routine. I am a skincare junkie, if you don't know. I have been so obsessed with skincare lately, definitely one of my passions. So I'll do my skincare routine, which is just generally a few serums and moisturizers in the morning. I try to keep my morning skincare routine to under 5 minutes because I'm always in a hurry, but this morning was especially exciting because my Lull mattress was getting delivered, and so I wanted to share with you guys the unboxing process, showing you how it works, what they're all about, getting it onto my bed and making my bed. So if you're interested, please keep watching. This company is super awesome, and I'll share some more details about them. It comes shipped in this box, which is crazy in itself, and it just unfolds. It's super quick and easy in my opinion. I needed a new mattress so bad. The previous one I had, I think I got off Craigslist a long time ago, so I haven't had a new mattress in I don't think ever. I have been using it for the past month. I will say that at first it took a little getting used to because I am used to a very soft mattress, and previously I had had a memory foam that I got at Costco on top of an already soft bed, so I think it was just too soft. So transitioning to the Lull mattress, I would say it is more firm, but it's memory foam, so you're sinking into it. It's still soft and plushy. It's just a little bit more firm than I am used to. But I am very happy with that because I have had back problems for many years, and so I feel like this is just giving me a lot more support than my previous mattress. The great thing about Lull is if you get one, it's free shipping when you purchase it, and they have a 100-night trial, so you can test it out, and if you're like, this isn't for me, you're more than welcome to send it back. They offer free return, so it's not going to be paying out of your pocket to get it back to them. Everything has been so simple and easy with this process. I never do reviews of companies that I don't truly love, and I know that people always say that, but it is true. You don't want to put your name out there on something that you don't actually love yourself. So when I say that this has been great for me, I truly do mean it. I hope you guys can trust that, and if you really are looking for a mattress, I suggest Lull. I have tried a few of the others before, actually. I've tried Puffy. My friends have tried Casper, so I know about these brands, but this one by far has been what has worked for me. There will be $150 off in my description box. I love diffusing essential oils. It definitely holds a special place in my heart. I love diffusing lavender, especially in the evening. I will be honest that I wish I could do this every morning, but the truth is it's mostly on the weekends when I'm like having more free time. I like to diffuse oils. I like to get in some reading, or if you have time for devotions, it's especially nice to start out your day like that. I've been reading this new devotion and I really like it. It's all about being brave, especially because I've been dealing with a lot of fear, so this has really helped me. And then Girl Wash Your Face is a classic. It's amazing. You guys definitely should read it. I highly recommend. So I'll just spend a little time in the morning reading, praying, starting my day right, and just seeing what I have ahead for my week. And basically that's it. If you guys want to see any other content, definitely comment down below. I'm so happy to be back. It has been a minute and I have missed filming and creating content. So enjoy and definitely subscribe, like this video of course, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.